Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case of seeing my face first time, my name is Shania and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to show you makeup look for winter, and sometimes in winter makeup look dry and uneven. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do makeup in winter. So firstly, prep your skin with a moisturizer cream or serum, and I'm using a deep moisturizing cream. So I take a little bit cream on my palms and then I gently apply on my skin. And to prime, choose moisturizing or oil primer, and today I'm going to use this Calabar primer oil, and I'm just taking 2-3 drops of this primer oil and I'm just applying on my cheeks, forehead and chin. And foundation, choose hydrating or serum foundation, and today I'm going to use this Smashbox Studio Skin Hydra foundation. Now I'm going to blend out this foundation with a beauty blender in the dabbing motion, and this foundation blends out really nicely and looks natural on the skin. And to conceal, choose blendable concealer, otherwise it looks dry and uneven. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread, and I'm applying just a little bit with the applicator, otherwise it looks matte and powderish. And for my brows, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty brow pencil in the shade One Warm Blonde. So firstly, I'm brushing my brows upwards, and then I fill the gaps little bit, and then I brush my brows again upwards. And I also like to shape my brows with the concealer. So now brows is done, and let's move to the eyes. And for the eyes, choose creamy or cream eyeshadows. So firstly, I'm taking this glitter shade from the Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying this shade all over my eyelids like this. And now I'm going to take this brown shade, and I'm applying this brown shade only on my crease and little bit under my lower lash lines. Now I'm going to take this glitter shade from the NYB eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. And mascara, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Plump It Up mascara, and I'm applying this mascara on my both upper lashes and lower lashes. So now eyes is done, and let's move on to the face. So for blush, choose cream blush, but don't use powder blush, it will look powderish, dry and uneven. So today I'm going to use this NYB Mousse blush. It has fluffy kind of texture and gives soft matte finish, and this blush is very blendable. You can apply this blush easily with your fingers, and it's very long lasting and lightweight. And I have this two shades, 02 Crimson Bloom and the 03 Pink Blossom. And the shades are highly pigmented, and it's perfect for everyday use because it gives natural finish and looks very beautiful on the skin. And today I'm going to use the shade number 02 Crimson Bloom. Firstly, I'm dotting this blush on my both cheeks like this, and then I like to blend it out with my fingers in the dabbing motion. It blends really easily and gives natural finish. It gives soft matte finish and looks very natural on the skin. So you can see it blends very easily and looks very good on the skin, and this kind of pink glow looks very beautiful in winters. You can use this blush for everyday pink glow. It looks beautiful on the skin and it's perfect for everyday use. And this NYB Mousse blush only at $2.99, and for you guys I will leave links in the description box below, so check out there. And in winter it's better to go for liquid highlighter, and today I'm gonna use this NYB Shimmer Drop Liquid Highlighter. And I'm applying only on my cheeks, chin and brow bones, and I'm blending it out with the beauty blender. And for lips, choose cream lipstick, and today I'm going to use this Huda Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Angle, and it's a light pink nude color. So this is the final look. You can see makeup looks very pretty. So this winter, try out this makeup look and let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. So I hope this video will help you and hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.